Welcome to Homepedia. Welcome to our journey of tranquility and serenity amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. In a world where urban dwellers yearn for a deeper connection with nature, we invite you to explore an ingenious solution: the integration of small courtyard designs inside our homes. Amidst the concrete jungle, we've discovered a way to create oases within the confines of our own abode. Join us as we embark on a quest to find moments of peace and tranquility right at home. Welcome to our indoor sanctuary, where the beauty of nature meets the comfort of home. Dreaming up your courtyard sanctuary, where serenity begins. Imagine stepping into a small corner of your home and finding yourself transported to an intimate sanctuary, a hidden retreat where the hustle and bustle of daily life fades away, replaced by the gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing trickle of water. This is the vision behind designing a small courtyard oasis inside your house, a place where you can escape the chaos and immerse yourself in the calming embrace of nature. To embark on this journey, begin by scouting out the perfect spot for your indoor courtyard. Seek out areas flooded with natural light, where the sun's rays can filter through the foliage and create dappled patterns on the ground. Look for spaces with good airflow, allowing fresh breezes to circulate and invigorate the atmosphere. Whether it's an overlooked corner tucked away in a quiet nook or a central space that beckons you to pause and linger, the key is to find a location that speaks to your senses and sparks your imagination. Once you've pinpointed the ideal spot, it's time to let your creativity take flight. Envision the possibilities of transforming this space into your own tranquil haven, a retreat where you can unwind, recharge, and reconnect with the natural world. Picture lush greenery cascading from the walls, punctuated by bursts of vibrant blooms and the gentle rustle of bamboo leaves. Envision a bubbling fountain or a meandering stream, its crystalline waters lending a sense of serenity and movement to the scene. See yourself nestled amidst plush cushions and soft throws, lost in the pages of a book or simply basking in the beauty of your surroundings. In this sanctuary, time slows down and worries melt away, replaced by a profound sense of peace and well-being. It's a place where you can escape the demands of modern life and find solace in the simple pleasures of nature. So go ahead, close your eyes and let your imagination soar, for within the confines of your own home lies a world of possibility, waiting to be discovered and embraced. Welcoming nature indoors, inviting the outdoors in. At the very core of crafting your small courtyard oasis lies the beautiful marriage between the natural world and indoor living. It's about seamlessly blending the elements of nature with the comforts of home to create a harmonious sanctuary that nourishes both the body and the soul. To embark on this transformative journey, Start by curating a carefully selected collection of green plants that thrive in indoor environments. Delve into the vast world of botanical wonders, exploring the myriad shapes, sizes, and textures that foliage can offer. From the elegant grace of palms to the delicate fronds of cascading ferns, each plant brings its own unique charm to your courtyard oasis. Not only do these green companions add visual beauty to the space, but they also serve as living reminders of the vitality and resilience of nature, uplifting your spirits with their vibrant energy. Consider enhancing the sensory experience of your indoor oasis by incorporating water elements into your courtyard design. Picture a petite fountain bubbling gently in the corner, its crystalline waters catching the sunlight and casting dancing reflections across the space. Or imagine a serene waterfall cascading down a natural rock formation, its soothing rhythm creating a sense of tranquility and serenity. With these water features, you can transform your small courtyard into a veritable oasis, where the gentle murmur of flowing water transports you to a state of calm and relaxation right in the heart of your home. Together, these elements of greenery and water work in perfect harmony to create a sensory-rich environment that delights the senses and nurtures the soul. Whether you're lounging amidst the foliage with a good book or simply basking in the tranquil ambience of your indoor oasis, you'll find yourself drawn into a world of natural beauty and inner peace. So let your imagination run wild as you embark on this journey of transformation, and watch as your small courtyard blossoms into a haven of serenity and rejuvenation. Crafting depth and texture, elements that enchant. To truly capture the essence of a secluded oasis and transport yourself to a realm of serenity within your own home, it's essential to delve into the intricate details of design that breathe life into your small courtyard. Imagine each element as a brushstroke on the canvas of tranquility, meticulously chosen to evoke a sense of calm and wonder. Begin by embracing the raw beauty of natural materials such as stone, wood, and bamboo. These timeless elements not only infuse your courtyard with a rustic charm, but also establish a harmonious connection with the earth. Picture rough-hewn stone pavers leading the way through a verdant landscape, or weathered wooden benches inviting you to pause and take in the beauty that surrounds you. As you embark on your journey to design your small courtyard oasis, consider the power of height and layers in creating a truly immersive experience. Play with the vertical dimension by introducing plants of varying heights, from towering palms to delicate ferns, to draw the eye upward and create a sense of spaciousness. Layering plants of different densities adds depth and complexity to your courtyard, transforming it into a lush, multidimensional paradise that begs to be explored. Imagine wandering through a dense thicket of foliage, each step revealing new wonders hidden beneath the canopy of leaves. A secluded corner becomes a secret garden, alive with the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves in the breeze. By thoughtfully arranging your plants to mimic the natural ebb and flow of a thriving ecosystem, you can transform your courtyard into a living, breathing sanctuary that delights the senses and nourishes the soul. Incorporating these design principles not only enhances the visual appeal of your small courtyard, but also fosters a deeper connection with nature. As you immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and textures of your indoor oasis, you'll find yourself transported to a place of peace and tranquility, where the stresses of daily life melt away and the beauty of the natural world takes center stage. When it comes to creating the perfect ambience for your small courtyard oasis, lighting takes center stage. It's not just about visibility, it's about setting the mood and creating an atmosphere that soothes the soul. During the day, there's nothing quite like basking in the gentle glow of natural light filtering through your windows or skylights. It bathes your indoor oasis in warmth, highlighting the vibrant greens of your plants and the natural textures of your design elements. This soft, diffused light creates a sense of tranquility and serenity, inviting you to relax and unwind in your personal sanctuary. But as the sun sets and darkness descends, the magic of your indoor oasis doesn't have to fade away. On the contrary, it's time to elevate the enchantment by introducing artificial lighting that enhances the beauty of your space. Imagine the soft twinkle of fairy lights, delicately woven through the foliage of your plants, casting a warm and inviting glow across your courtyard. These tiny points of light create a sense of whimsy and magic, transforming your indoor oasis into a fairy tale-like retreat that beckons you to escape the worries of the world. Lanterns add another layer of charm to your courtyard, their soft, flickering flames casting dancing shadows against the walls and pathways. Whether hung from overhead beams or nestled among the greenery, lanterns infuse your space with a cozy, intimate ambience that makes you feel as though you've been transported to a faraway hideaway. And let's not forget about strategically placed spotlights, which serve not only to illuminate specific features of your courtyard, but also to create depth and drama. By highlighting key elements such as a striking sculpture or a cascading waterfall, spotlights draw the eye and add visual interest to your indoor oasis, ensuring that every corner is bathed in warmth and beauty. As you step into your courtyard oasis after dark, surrounded by the soft glow of twinkling lights, flickering lanterns, and strategically placed spotlights, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. It's as though the stresses of the day melt away, replaced by a feeling of peace and contentment that can only be found in your own little slice of paradise. The joys of having a courtyard inside your house, a sanctuary for the soul. When it comes to the advantages of having a small courtyard oasis within your house, the benefits extend far beyond mere visual appeal. In today's fast-paced world, where screens dominate our attention and artificial stimuli bombard our senses, the significance of reconnecting with nature cannot be overstated. Countless studies have highlighted the profound impact that nature has on our well-being, demonstrating its ability to alleviate stress, elevate mood, and foster a sense of inner peace and contentment. By incorporating a small courtyard oasis into your living space, you're not just adding a decorative element, you're infusing your home with the healing power of nature. This integration of indoor and outdoor realms creates a harmonious environment that resonates with tranquility and serenity. Imagine stepping into your indoor courtyard after a long day, greeted by the sight of lush greenery bathed in soft, natural light. The stresses of the outside world melt away as you immerse yourself in this verdant sanctuary, enveloped by the soothing sounds of rustling leaves and trickling water. In this tranquil haven, every corner holds the promise of solace and renewal. Whether you're savoring a quiet moment of reflection surrounded by verdant foliage or losing yourself in the pages of a favorite book to the gentle soundtrack of flowing water, your indoor courtyard becomes a sanctuary for your soul. It's a space where you can escape the chaos of the world and reconnect with the rhythms of nature, finding comfort and rejuvenation in its embrace. Moreover, the benefits of having a small courtyard oasis extend beyond the realm of mental and emotional well-being. The presence of plants indoors has been shown to improve air quality, purifying the atmosphere and enhancing overall respiratory health. Additionally, the introduction of greenery into your living space can help regulate humidity levels, creating a more comfortable indoor environment. From a practical standpoint, an indoor courtyard adds value to your home, serving as a unique feature that enhances its aesthetic appeal and marketability. In essence, the decision to create a small courtyard oasis inside your house is an investment in your well-being, a commitment to cultivating a space that nurtures and revitalizes both body and soul. It's a testament to the profound impact that nature can have on our lives, reminding us of the importance of seeking moments of connection and tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of modern living. So, embrace the opportunity to transform your home into a sanctuary of serenity, where the beauty of nature beckons at every turn, inviting you to find peace and renewal in its embrace.